Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S. So you have to start by opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and then click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and you have to scroll down and click delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. Now click always and then go back to your screen, and now your Google account should be removed. So now let's open Google Play Store, for example, to recover your account, or you can use any other app that requires you to log in into your Google account. And now click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.